Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Lenovo laptop black screen but turns on issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for fix number one is going to be for the most common way to fix your issue. What we need to do is on our keyboard, we need to go ahead and click on Control, Windows, Shift and B. And as you can see, your screen will start flickering, and then what happens there, your graphics card drivers are gonna restart. All right, for fix number two, we need to perform a hard reset. So what this process is going to do is clear residual electrical charges that might be causing the display issue. So for laptops with a removable battery, what we need to do is shut down the laptop, disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery. Press and hold down the power button for approximately 60 seconds and then reinsert the battery, connect the power adapter and power on the laptop. Now for Windows with a non-removable battery, what you can do is shut down the laptop, disconnect the power adapter, press and hold down the power button for about 60 seconds, release the power button, reconnect the power adapter and turn on the laptop.